moles and number of molecules present in 4.4 gram of CO2. So CO2 means carbon dioxide, given mass upon molecular mass. So here CO2 means carbon, atomic mass 12, oxygen 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to 44, and here we can write 4.4 divided by 44 is equal to 44 divided by 440 is equal to 0.1 mole. Is equal to 0.1 mole. And see, note down number of molecules of CO2. Number of molecules of CO2 is equal to number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's number 0.1 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 is equal to 0.6022 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of molecules of CO2, or we can also write 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 22 into 22. So this will be the number of molecules present in the 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide. Then we will calculate. So students, you note down and just also understand. So see, number of moles of hydrogen, given mass upon molecular mass. So given mass is 1. What is the molecular mass? 2. So given mass upon molecular mass is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5 mole. And number of molecules of hydrogen is equal to 0.5 into so given mass is 1 divided by molecular mass 2 is equal to 0.5 is equal to 0.5, and number of molecules is equal to number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. So we can calculate 0.5 multiplied by 6.022 is equal to, it will be 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23. So this will be the number of molecules of hydrogen in 1 gram of hydrogen. So 1 gram of hydrogen C contains half of the Avogadro's number of molecules, which is equal to 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23. Now then we will study about the methanol. Methanol means CH3OH. CH3OH is methanol. 12 plus 3 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 32. So given mass is 16 upon 32 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, and number of moles of methanol is equal to same is equal to same. चालू आहे का सगळं? हां. So 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of methanol. So in this way, by knowing the Avogadro's number, by knowing the given mass and molecular mass, we can calculate the number of moles. By using the number of moles, we can calculate the number of particles, number of atoms, number of molecules, etc. So in this way. Now, have got the idea now? So in this way we can calculate. Now again we can calculate, so we can solve the number of numericals. So write down, calculate the number of moles, calculate the number of moles, write down, calculate the number of moles and number of molecules present in 0.7 gram of carbon monoxide. So this is carbon monoxide. Then you can calculate oxygen, for example 1.6 gram of oxygen. Then you can also calculate .6 gram of acetic acid, and 1.6 gram of methane. So we can calculate now. See, given mass divided by molecular mass, CO. CO means carbon monoxide. 0.7 divided by molecular mass 28. So 12 plus 16 is equal to 28. So 0.7 so is equal to, we can write 7 upon 280. 7 upon 280 means 1 by 40 is equal to 0.025 moles. So 1 upon 40 means 0.025, and we can calculate number of molecules. So see, number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. So number of moles 0.025 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Now multiply and solve. What is the answer? So 25 multiply 0.025 into 6.022 and you can easily solve. For example, if you want to multiply so here decimal point will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here it will be like this into 10 raised to power 23. So it will be 1.5055 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules. In molecules. So this is one part. Then 1.6 gram of O2, oxygen, number of moles of oxygen. So here we can write 1.6 divided by 32. So we can write 16 upon 322 means 20 is equal to 1 by 20 means 0.05. 0.05. So 0.05 here, number of molecules 0.05 multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So do this and it will be, I think, so decimal point will be here. So 2 and 1, 2, 3 means 5, and again it will be 0.3011 into 10 raised to power 23, and we can change it 3.011 into 10 raised to power 22 into 22 as we are shifting the decimal point. Then about acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid. Now about acetic acid, C 6.6 gram. Now 0.6 divided by 60 is equal to 6 upon 600 is equal to 1 mole. It will be mole. And again here 0.01 into 10 raised to power 23, and here solve this. So 6.06022. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.5 into 10 raised to power 23 is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 21 molecules. And 1.6 gram of methane. 1.6 gram of methane. Have you noted this? Now see the last part. 1.6. So 1.6 divided by 16. So methane. Here we are taking the methane. Methane CH4. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Clear? So here 16 divided by 160 means 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. 0.1. So here number of moles will be 0.1. and 0.1 means 0.6022 into 10 raised to power 23 means 6.022 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules. So this is all about the mole, various definitions of mole regarding the number of particles and how to solve the numericals. Again, in the tomorrow's period, I will take 4 or 5 numericals and we will finish this mole concept. Clear? Okay.